So YouTube just dropped the blog post with a sentence I've been personally waiting to read for years. Today we are announcing the expansion of multilanguage audio to millions of creators over the next coming weeks.
Das tritt nach meiner Kenntnis ist das sofort. Unverzüglich.
To the best of my knowledge, that takes effect immediately, without delay.
Multilanguage audio is here. The reign of robotic auto-dubbing has come to an end. The feature is rolling out as we speak, and that means you can go and check your YouTube studios, go to the individual videos into the language tabs to see if the button for manual dubbing uploads is already available. If it's not, it will be available in the next coming days and weeks. But what are you going to upload? High-quality audio tracks don't just appear out of thin air. So that's why starting today, we are launching 3 new services at KWMedia to get you started immediately. First up is KWMedia FastTrack. This is your solution for scale and speed. For €1 per video minute, you will get an AI-powered dub of your own voice in over 100 languages and dialects. This is a no-frills, uncorrected track that is designed to get your content global fast. If you need precision, if your content relies on very technical terms or just needs the perfect brand messaging, KWMedia PremiumTrack is the right choice for you. For €5 per video minute, you'll get an AI dub of your own voice. However, we only offer English, Danish and German, since that's the languages we speak, because we manually correct every single transcript that gets AI dubbed in that way. If it has to be right, use KWMedia PremiumTrack. But for some content, even the perfect AI dub of your own voice isn't enough. You need performance, you need personality. And that's why we're also launching KWMedia StudioTrack. And for €110 per video minute, you'll get a real voice artist to perform for you. We'll find the person that fits perfectly for you, so don't be shy, ask us about it. To plan your professional dub, or if you just want to use one of our off-the-shelf dubs, please feel free to reach out via team at KWMedia. The broad launch of multilanguage audio is a game changer, no doubt, but it's just the warm-up. Next Tuesday, YouTube will host the big Made on YouTube event, where they'll announce major product updates for the next year. And wouldn't you know it, someone has already set their eyes on the list of things that are going to happen. And let me tell you, it's juicy. Of course, we'll be back with a special video on Tuesday covering everything important they'll announce during the event, so please subscribe to make sure you don't miss that. For now, if you're ready to go global with your videos, please follow the link in the video description below to get more info about our translation tracks. And see you next week for more YouTube updates.